Morning kids, how are you? Welcome to English class. Yes, in English class today we are going to play a game. You know what game we are going to play? It's a game of sound words. Okay, look at here kids. See, this is the game of sound words. It's a very interesting game, and in this we are going to make new words with the sound ch, ch and sh, sh sound. Okay, so look at here. There are some flowers, kids, and what you have to do? You have to make a new word by putting the flower on the grass. Okay, so let's start the game with the sound ch and sh. So I'll take one flower and see it's o p. So let's try and make a new word. So keep this flower on the grass with CH and find out the new word. Yes, it's CHOP, chop. Very good kids. It's not very difficult, but it gives you a lot of practicing. Okay, so take the next one. See, it's AIR. Yes, find out AIR. So I keep the flower on the grass and the word is it's CHAIR with the CH sound. Okay, now take the next one. It's BEN. Yes, so keep it here and see the word. It's bench. BENCH. Now the next flower. It's LUN. So I keep this flower on the grass and make the word LUNCH. So isn't it look beautiful? See, green grass, pink flowers. So let's try these words. It's chop, chair, lunch and bench. Okay, now yes, start with the next sound. It's SH. Try this out. Read this. It's SH and the flower is IP and make the word. Yes, it's SHIP, ship. Now see, I keep the flowers here and take it one by one. It's EEP. Now make the word. Yes, I'll keep EEP here. It's SHEEP, sheep. Now next one is WI. So yes, it's WISH, wish. Yeah, it's a word with the sound SH, wish. Now the next one is BU. Now I keep the flower here. Yes, it's BUSH, bush. Okay, try these again. Bush, ship, wish and sheep. So kids, yes, are you enjoyed this activity? So write down these 8 words with the CH and SH sound in your English notebook and try to make more words, like 4 more words with CH sound and 4 more words with SH sound. Okay, keep practicing. Till then, bye.